so hungry now. Hiroshima is so big. Where should I go for lunch? Aha! Hiroshima is known for okonomiyaki, a pancake that's cooked on an iron plate right in front of the customer. And there's nowhere else more apt than to try this food than at Okonomiyaki Village. Okonomiyaki Village is a building of several stories that sells nothing but okonomiyaki. There are so many stalls to choose from, but all of them are so good. We chose this stall that has a pink banner. Marian loves pink, and this stall matches me so well. Okonomiyaki is cooked with many ingredients which are layered rather than mixed together. As you can see, the layers are flour paste, cabbage, and bean sprouts. Oh, they are so sumptuous when you put them all together. These ingredients are then topped with slices of meat, such as bacon. They are piled so high. Julia Jasmine, she is so skilled and so good at cooking the okonomiyaki. Marian is so hungry just watching her cook it. She's so good. She knows how to cook the okonomiyaki well. I'm so hungry now and I can't wait to try it. After all the layers of okonomiyaki are cooked, the okonomiyaki will be painted with a generous dose of barbecue sauce, which makes it sweet and savory. Seafood powder is then sprinkled on top. A mini spatula called hera is used to eat the okonomiyaki, which is still kept warm on the teppanyaki table. You need to eat it quickly before it's overcooked. As you eat the okonomiyaki, you can see the layers inside. It is so sumptuous! Oh my! Okonomiyaki is very popular even among locals. It is a filling, tasty, yet cheap meal. Don't miss it while you're in Hiroshima! Thanks for joining me in my mini snippet! Subscribe to Marian for more videos and please leave me comments! Mata ne!